Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick update and then a styling type of video to give you guys a little bit of inspiration just in case you need some, or if you decide to check out this hair. By the way, this is my second video, hence I said an update. So if you want to check out my initial first impressions, and I basically show you guys the unboxing, how I achieved the bangs, because the bangs did need a little bit of help. But if you want to know more, go ahead and check the description box and I'll link it on the cards as well, so you can see the initial video just in case you want to decide to invest in this unit. And it's so affordable. I believe it's like 60 or 70 bucks. So you cannot lose with this wig. So before we get started into the styling, I just want to tell you guys I'm absolutely loving this wig. It's like so cute and everything. I'm like a bang kind of girl, so it's just giving me all my life. And for the price, you really cannot lose. If you want to know more about the texture and everything, or if you're just interested in purchasing this unit or just checking out African Mall, I'll leave all their information down below. So far, I feel like the quality of their hair definitely matches their prices, and their prices are like bomb. Okay, so be sure to check out the description box and get all the full details on this wig, and be sure to check out my initial first impressions. So let me give you guys a very brief rundown of how I feel about this wig. As you guys can tell, I'm loving it. The texture is silky, and I'm not really a silky kind of chick, but I really love the silky texture in combination with the style of this unit. I think it goes very well. It doesn't really shed. It's not tangling or anything. Granted, this is probably like my 5th time wearing this wig, but I can foresee that it's going to be a unit that can last you for a pretty good while. My only con that I will say about this wig is you will experience a lot of flyaways, but go ahead and get you like some edge tamer or in edge control, and you can combat that. But other than that, those are my thoughts. I definitely suggest this wig. She's OhSo approved. So if you guys are interested in seeing a few little casual kind of styles, grown and sexy-ish, we got a little bit of youngness vibes popping right now, go ahead and stay tuned. there you guys have it. A few basic styles, some for the mature and grown and sexy, and some that are very youthful. So I try to include styles for everyone. Go ahead and let me know how you feel about this unit and let me know your favorite style. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check the description box to check out africanmall.com.